Nado balapoi uknyang jingpang COVID-19 hakari India banyada na kajing sapriang uni uknyang jingpang kesokar pedeng kalahap ban penlong da kapakhang shinong habarok kawai kari. Nakane kajing kang kansan kibabuan kinong shong shinong jong kane ke Jylla Meghalaya bakentup ya ke Samla puli kumjo kibatrai shabar Jylla bat shabari ru kila sahkut shabar wat laki kwa banwan paino shalaying. Kum shibanta ban ajing Arab iki besakut syakiwai pat ki Jylla jong kari ke sorkar kala ajing Arab ru yaki da kapisa hendrai nalor kapisa leksi ki don ru da ki wai pat ki jingeh. PCN hakani katayo ulayo banyak keren bat ki kat tu kat ni.
Nadu ba sorkar India kelas sedang ya kajing kun persya yu kenyang jingpang corona. Hagabalahap ban kang shnong habrok ko wigeri India ladang ya keren sepang ginong shong shnong nagani ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kibalit puli bat kibatrai shabar ke Jylla kalabu jing bahayaki. Namar watla kilakwa banwan pai no shalayeng henrei namar ke jing trai kam jong ka lockdown. Kim yo banwan pai bat kam tam hadu ba sorkar Meghalaya ru kala kerpat eki bansa shwa syakijaka bakidon. Daga ba ajing Arab ru iki daga pisa tang shisien ai kaba lai hajar tengka marwai. Henrei nalor ke pisa le asia don pat na pedeng jongki kebe kendo dagi wai pat kijing Banyo sngowi kita kijing jongki PCN hakane katayo ulayo banekran bat ki katu kane ki badan shiki wai pat ki Jylla jongkari India.
About this whole pandemic, coronavirus pandemic thing, first of all, I'm worried because I don't know when this thing is going to end, and especially that I'm living in an area that is surrounded by coronavirus hotspots, and I feel scared all the time because I don't know, I might get the virus at any time. So, and especially that I'm far away from home, my parents are worried, so it is a stressful situation. Hoy ka sarkar jungi ka yarab hingi ka lapha pisaru to those who are stranded outside kalapha laihajatinka. But then besides financial needs, there are other things that a person needs. So ki bon ang yuro ki ba ngim da suffer financially tangba mi suffer hi akoi karukam namar ba ngim la ban yo ika bangi kwa kum nga basa agani ka jaka bala bun cases tang bangan mi ru ngas mutiang bangan lethier ki jingdon kamru kum taki ngas ngodek ngam nuot namar ngating yo nga yo ikani ka coronavirus kamtam lay bangi don jingay na yeng ban yo pang ru kalong kaba along kum takin haba kikmi kikparu kin sa kuslay. I always have to take care of myself. I have to keep myself safe. So mentally it's not even healthy. Kawairu bang ako aban ong I am not suffering too much as others because I am working from home. But then I have friends who are not doing anything, so they just keep thinking all day and kalong kaba ki bakin shushong klem le ki buntang ki jing perkhat kem ko abam ko adi te kalong ka ba bansa shabar na lari lajong mo na Meghalaya nga ko ba ka government can rescue ya kito ki ba don kam palat ban legyang namar kalong ka ba ki bakin shong shabar ken sabuntang ki jing perkhat but ngimla abante kamtam living imla abante baka lanu kanika virus kankod tandang jur cases ne ting ibun ki mujing perhangi perkhat ba what if it won't end nila ne ban le yeng lanu nila ban yo le yeng te lada long ka bala ka sarkar ka di ban le ban evacuate ki briolo jong.
My husband is not with us in Kolkata. He is in Shillong and we are really missing him, and I'm really concerned and worried about him all the time. But what pains me most is that as an employee of All India Radio, this is the time when my services were much needed and I'm unable to serve the people of my state through All India Radio as I'm unable to return home. I'm really very sad about this. But again, as a responsible citizen of the country, I fully understand the importance of this lockdown and the need to follow this lockdown and travel only when it is completely safe taking necessary precautions. So my most urgent appeal to the government of Meghalaya, please, once the lockdown is over, there are so many of us stranded outside the state for various reasons, students, young people who had gone for a holiday or for some medical health checkup, as I have or I had come to Kolkata. We are all really missing home. Many of us are having to go through a lot of hardship. So as soon as the lockdown is over, if you could please make arrangements for our quick return to our hometown, so that we may be reunited with our loved ones, with our family members, and get the love that is much needed for our healing. We are all going through a lot of mental trauma at this hour. And to make our return and entry into the state as comfortable and as hassle-free as possible. This is my ardent appeal to the government of Meghalaya on behalf of all the people who are stranded outside Shillong.
Nalor ki basakut ki weipat ki Jylla jungkari. PCN akan katayo uli jengtip halor weipat usamla kasi usamla Jaya lengwa. Oba pule ha University of Hertfordshire, United Kingdom. Wadlau New Samla ulako panwan pain Australia. Nrei omdon lat pat yu. Tang badon bok pat bada kejingdon mensiam jakawai ke longyeng kasihi ke basyong basa haro. Kilapan bat ai jakasa yu.
Ti dan wi ke longyeng kasih dan hang po haro ti ngafun ki ki kloi kan ban pediang ngaki ban yarap yang ati ngalami no nang tanah flat po university ti ngalawan sa no bat ki kan ti ngalayo ke bam kadi ke yeng kesem ti nasaingu yu bleken ti ndrengong ngadanga sedan hangta apa university kemun kenang jenjar sisu yang marbanga dan marwai hi
tingi situ bah UK ru ki babon belayo ina jingpang wat ki ba kiriu pok ma ru ki layo ina jingpang kumno pisno holiday simet menta pidan em tak jingsir
ya kata ta kadan bet fi nomor sakawi ru pet kum hapo ka ni ka jakasa bangsa nga po university ka di ka Hertfordshire ti hapo Hertfordshire menta kidan kumba palat kanyu spa ki kis tang po ka Hertfordshire hi ti hang ni hapo haro bangsa menta kidan dang nyu spa ki kis ti wala kata ru ka kasir ha long bandami shani shatai ru kan ti bunsin hi ngam du khammi lan no bahab thi ki jing siu ni tai jing ban jing di ti ngaban mi kan
te ke jingkwa je pi menta long ki kwa ban pai no ne kumno ne
ti sakawai mo ka banong kum student hinai ti buni nagi students ki ba one police UK kum shui ki ri mo international students ti kawai kalong ba ki depend naka fixed saving ka joki ti laki la poi sheni kiri kum hunta kana po UK ru kum ngahap dan kam bande try part time ro jogo por ga puli ro jogo por ti ngahap si ru ya ka baisa ru ka baiwai ni gitai ti shpek kum ta ka por le ba kalong ba kila total lockdown kemudian ba kidukan ki jakatre baro lockdown dun ti na dapat khat subu kadang sa po university ru ti ada kam jonga amdan kam shu tu po ru kan shu shong kum tu ti ada depend na saving la jong ru ti kumnu shu kan yo bam ru kumnu shu kan si bai sa ru ti kita ki jing fi ni tau virus ru kani ka kawiru kan depression ru bar somar wei ti sakawiru ka bam kadi kumnu ban yo ti nga sa ingu yu ble long kadang hai ka ying jong ni gini prakasi ki bai pedang ngan kawi ka bang thrang ba long ba government kan lei menta jong ni kan bakan at least tang bakan acknowledge ba ni ke jing jar ni sham ki students kam tam hina pori India ti sam kin yo kan lei wada ka lakam da dei than ka bakin la ban yo kot ka yang ka pisa ki tikaru hinta tang bikin acknowledge ru tang bakin yo ban lei tang bakin poisa ka ri la jong ru kan nu kan kemen kin yang ni
nari India try kanangot try ki barang sakot ki bai pulilang tapi ke jo university
university ke jonga ti nga try tamangahi bangatip na po Meghalaya kan ri kibun ki perlok jonga na kiwi kiri kun na po kidan na po Gujarat na po Maharashtra ta kiwi kiri kitu kila baro kila phai bi tang bangan yo ban dan hakari la jong ru ngala kamen palat ken tang bangan dan lesi ron kam ban kit khia na kalian ka quarantine gini kita nga suthu ngah bia but ka kum ka anu kata ron kam ya
so jo ngi kermen ba ladang ipet ingin ko bosa ki bor ki bare mi pese ken sa respond pi te to shu hok pada ki kin urlong nok loy kum bapikwa.
Ha.
Ho jo. Take care.